So today we are going to discuss about collinearity. Collinearity. So what is this concept? So three or more points are said to be collinear if they lie on a single line. On a single line. So let's try to construct this one. Suppose there is a line here, and these 3 points are residing on that line. Then OA is a position vector. What is a position vector? That vector is starting from the origin. Origin means 0, 0, 0 point. That's a position vector, right? So this is B vector. Suppose this is C vector. So these points are ABC points, right? Now you can see by looking at the diagram, these points are collinear, right? These points are collinear. So what are the relations you can make here is one relation can be AC is equal to M times AB. AC is equal to M times AB. So we can construct this. We construct this relation if ABC are collinear. If ABC are collinear, right? So if you can find a finite number for M, a valid M number, so that will tell us that ABC are collinear. So now let's think about the proof. So if AC is equal to MAB, right? So C vector, which is OC, right? C vector, which is OC, is nothing but OA plus AC. Now that means C vector is nothing but OA plus AC is going to be M times AB. M times AB. Right? So that's going to be M times AB. So now OA is going to be A vector plus M times AB is going to be B minus A. And that is C vector. Right? So now you can group A terms here. So it's going to be 1 minus MA plus M of B is equal to C vector. Right? So if this satisfies, if C is equal to 1 minus MA plus MB, if C is equal to this, then AC vector is equal to MAB vector. Hence, ABC are collinear. So OA is equal to A vector. Then OM is going to be A vector divided by 2. Then OC vector is going to be 4 divided by 3 of OB, 4 divided by 3 of B then, right? Then MC vector is OC minus OM, right? MC vector is equal to OC vector minus OM. So OC vector is going to be 4 divided by 3B. OM vector is half of A, right? And I'm going to say now MR vector is equal to M times MC vector collinear. MRC points are collinear, isn't it? So MRC are collinear. Because of that, you can write MR M times MC, right? So now MC we have here, that would be M times minus half A plus 4 divided by 3B, like this. So that is my first equation. I found MR now, right? So once you have MR, the question is to find OR. So OR is this guy. Now you can see that OR vector is equal to OM plus MR, which is vector addition. So now if you simplify this, you get half of A plus M times this guy. You get this guy, right? Now you can group it. If you group that, group means A terms separately and B terms separately. So what you're going to get is 1 minus M divided by 2A plus you get 4M divided by 3B. Right, so we found OR vector now. Now you can see, you read the question carefully, OR in terms of A and B. So you have A and B, but you have this additional term M. So somehow you need to get rid of that. Right, so now we are looking at AR. So we can say AR is equal to N times AB. So that becomes n times b minus a, right? So now you can write OR with OA plus AR. This is again vector addition. So if you do that, this is going to be A plus AR is going to be n times B minus A. Now, if you arrange this one, this is going to be 1 minus NA, 1 minus NA plus NB, and that's our third equation. Okay. Now, what we have here is this term with this term, they are equal to each other because we talk about the same OR and they be independent. And then this term is equal to this term. Okay. So you get two simultaneous equations now. 1 minus m divided by 2 is equal to 1 minus n. That's your first simultaneous equation. The second 4m divided by 3 is equal to n. That's going to be your other equation, right? So if you simultaneously resolve this, what is the m value? And what is the n value? M is 3 over 5. N is 4 over 5. So having that, you can find OR. So OR is equal to 1 minus n. So that's going to be 1 divided by 5a plus nb. So 4 divided by 5b. Okay, so that's OR. Right? So now to support the bth part, we need to find AR, right? So AR is equal to OA plus AR is equal to OA plus you can say AO plus OR. So AO is going to be minus A. OR is going to be what we have here. So you get the answer. O divided by 5, B minus A. So B minus A is nothing but AB. This is equal to 4 divided by 5, AB. Right? So what we have now here is AR is equal to 4 divided by 5 AB. This is nothing but now AR to AB is AR to, what is the question actually? AR to RB. RB, yeah. AR to RB. AR to RB is equal to 4 to 1.